Ready, Dad?
Let's do this.
Vampire bats have a very different digestive system. They have a highly elastic T-shaped stomach.
Everybody needs a paper hat!
Dad, we need our lunch for school!
I got this! Happy birthday, Dad! What happened? My organs, they're all here for you. I don't feel good anymore.
Notice how the predator tracks its prey with a laser focus, letting nothing get in its way. And when it attacks with its powerful jaws, it will not let go.
Hey, just gotta check your serial numbers. Just be a second. You're good. Sorry for bothering you.